Hello students, welcome you to this live session. In today's class, we are going to discuss trigonometry, right? So some of the students you like trigonometry and many students you may not like trigonometry, right? The reason is lot of formula you have to study. But please remember, my dear students, trigonometry is one of the very important topic, whether you like it or not. When you go for higher classes, this will be a basic, whether you study differentiation or integration. So trigonometry, not only for mark, so for the future, for the higher education, definitely you need trigonometry, okay? So to do for this, your level, for 10th standard level, if you want to do the sums, you need the basic concepts, okay? So what is sine theta, what is cos theta? So all these things you must know, some of the basic concepts. So today we are going to just run through the basic concepts, and if you want to learn the basic concept whole, if you want to learn, so in the description we have given a link, so using that you can learn that one, okay? Now listen this. First let us go through the ratios quickly. Right angle triangle, you know what is right angle triangle? One angle is 90 degree, so 90 is opposite is hypotenuse. So one of the acute angle, you take it as theta. Here I have taken C as theta, then opposite side, adjacent side, okay? Then Pythagoras theorem, you know, hypotenuse square is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides, right? So AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So if you know two sides, you can find the other side, right? Trigonometric ratios, there are 6 ratios. The basic ratios are 3. Sine theta, all of you know that, just to go through quickly. Sine theta is opposite side by hypotenuse. Cos theta is adjacent side by hypotenuse, and tan theta is opposite side by adjacent side. So sin theta is opposite by hypotenuse, cos theta adjacent by hypotenuse, and tan theta is opposite side by adjacent side. Then the remaining 3 ratios are just reciprocals. Cot theta is the reciprocal of tan, cot is the reciprocal of tan, secant is the reciprocal of cos, and cosecant is the reciprocal of sine. So cosecant is 1 by sine theta. Secant is the reciprocal of cos, 1 by cos theta. Cot theta is the reciprocal of tan, so you can write 1 by tan theta. Then you must know the relation between sine, cos and tan. Tan theta can be written as sine theta by cos theta. Cot theta, you know, it is the reciprocal of tan, right? Cot theta is the reciprocal of tan, so it is cos theta by sine theta. So these are some of the basic things you need that. Then after that, you need the trigonometric ratios of some specific angles. So here mainly we take 0 degree, 30, 45, 60, 90. First 3 ratios, sine, cos, tan. If you know these 3, already I said the remaining are just reciprocals, right? So how to fill this? Sine 0 is 0, sine 90 is 1. Sine 30, so 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2. If you know the first row, then cos will be just your reverse order, right? You write in the reverse order. 1 you write here, then root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, 0. Tan is sine by cos, so 0 by a number, it is 0. Last one you see 1 by 0, a number by 0 is not defined, right? Not defined. Other things, 2 to get cancelled, 1 by root 3, 1 root 3. So this is a basic table. How to remember this table and all, everything I given in the description. We have given a basic of trigonometry. So in that one, it will be around 20 minutes video. Easily you can learn all those things. Then one more thing you need, that is trigonometric identities. Basic identities, these are the 3 basic identities. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Secant square theta minus tan square theta is 1. Cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is 1. From each you can write 2 results, right? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta, right? Like that you can write this. Look at this one. This will help. This will be helpful to you, because you know in trigonometry most of the questions will be prove that questions, right? So if you know all these basic things, definitely you can score full mark. Sin square theta. Sin square theta is 1 minus cos square theta. Cos square theta is 1 minus sin square theta. tan square theta, you can write it as secant square theta minus 1. Cot square theta is cosecant square theta minus 1. Secant square theta is 1 plus tan square theta, and cosecant square theta is 1 plus cot square theta. Okay, so these things you remember. So with this basic introduction, we go for sums. But without knowing these things, even if you do even 100 sums, it is not going to help you. So first you must make thorough with all these things. So first, the reciprocals, all the 6 ratios and the reciprocals and the relation between sine, cos and tan. Tan theta is sine theta by cos theta, cot theta is cos theta by sine theta. Then the trigonometric ratios of these angles. So here one thing you can notice, for sine and cos, one of the angle has equal value, right? 1 by root 2 in 2 places you can see. Sine 45 is 1 by root 2, cos 45 also 1 by root 2. So sine and cos are equal, sine theta and cos theta are equal. If you see somewhere here like this, sine theta and cos theta are equal, then you can say theta is equal to what? 45 degree. Okay, theta is equal to 45 degree. Based on that, they'll ask normally some questions. Okay. Then the trigonometric identities, basic identities 3. Then from there you are getting all these results. Okay, now let's move on to the sums. You can do the sums along with me. Keep paper and pen with you. Do that. Once you get the answer, give your answer in the chat section. Be interactive. Okay. See the first one. If sine theta equal to cos theta, then find the value of secant theta into sine theta. If some of you get the answer, quickly you can give your answer in the chat section. Sine theta equal to cos theta. Then find the value of secant theta into sine theta. See, in trigonometry, the sums can be done in different ways. Don't think the method is unique method. No, you can do in any method. Okay, let us see how we are doing this sum. Sine theta equal to cos theta. Then what is the value of secant theta into sine theta? There are many ways for this sum. One method is sine theta equal to cos theta. Just now I said sine theta equal to cos theta means theta is equal to what? 45 degree, right? So here theta you can put 45. Then if you know the values, you can do that. That is one method. And there is another method. Very easily you can do this one. Secant theta into sine theta. Secant theta into sine theta. Yes, 1 is the right answer. But Surya given 2. Nakshatra 1. Yes, 1 is the correct answer. Please look at this. Very easy method you see how. Secant theta, secant theta is the reciprocal of cos theta. So secant theta can be written as 1 by cos theta, right? Secant theta is 1 by cos theta into sine theta. In the question they said sine theta and cos theta are equal. Sine and cos are equal. Both are equal. So you can cancel it. So your answer is what? 1, right? So reason, because in this question they said sine theta equal to cos theta. This is one method. Very easily you can do this like this. Okay. Another method is, as I said, sine theta equal to cos theta. Then tan theta is 1, right? Sine by cos is 1. Or theta is 45. You can substitute 45 and can do. Okay. Let's move on to the second question. Look at this question. If sine theta plus cos theta is A equal to sine theta plus cos theta, and B equal to secant theta plus cosecant theta, then what is the value of B into A square minus 1? They have given the answer in terms of A, B and all, right? Okay, let us see how to do this. Substitute the values B. B is secant theta. B is secant theta plus cosecant theta into A square. A square means you have to square this. Sin theta plus cos theta the whole square. That is sin square theta or sin theta plus cos theta the whole square. A square minus 1. That is, secant theta can be written as 1 by cos theta, right? Cosecant theta can be written as 1 by sin theta. And here you expand it, A plus B the whole square. So A square sin square theta plus B square cos square theta plus 2AB, 2 sin theta cos theta. Then don't forget to write that minus 1. Now look at this. The first one you take LCM, sin theta cos theta LCM, right? So sin theta cos theta is LCM. So you will get sin theta plus cos theta. Sin theta plus cos theta. Here you see this sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. And that 1 and this minus 1 get cancelled, right? So you are getting just 2 sin theta cos theta. Now you can cancel sin theta cos theta cancel. You are getting 2 into sin theta plus cos theta. Hope you are able to understand this. That is 2 into sin theta plus cos theta is same as what? A. So the correct answer is 2A. 2A is the right answer. They may ask you to prove that also. Question can be like this. Prove that B into A square minus 1 is equal to 2A, right? So then you start with LHS, you are getting 2A as your answer. Yes, many students given the answer. Good, very good. Now let's move on to the third question. Look at the third question. Sin theta is equal to 2 root 2 by 3. They asked to find cos theta. Sin theta is 2 root 2 by 3. So sin theta means, it is opposite side by what? Hypotenuse, right? So we draw a right angle triangle. So this is 90. 90's opposite is hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is 3. Opposite side. So this is theta. So this is opposite side 2 root 2. So adjacent side you can find, right? Adjacent side is equal to root of hypotenuse square. 3 square. 9 minus 2 root 2 square. 2 root 2 square. That is 2 square is 4. Root 2 square is 2. So it is 8. So 9 minus 8 is 1. Root 1 it is 1. So adjacent side is 1, right? They asked to find cos theta. So cos theta is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. So learn all these basic things. Adjacent side is 1. Hypotenuse is 3. So your answer is 1 by 3. Yes. Good. Many students given the right answer. Good. Now let's move on to question number 4. Look at this question. Tan theta into cosecant square theta minus tan theta. Just to make thorough with the identities only I am giving these questions. Tan theta into cosecant square theta. Tan theta into cosecant square theta minus tan theta. Can you try and give your answer in the chat section? Options, 4 options given. Secant theta, cot square theta, sin theta, cot theta. As I said, you can do it different ways, right? Either you can change into sin and cos, or you can see tan theta is common, right? So you can take Saktivel given the answer as 1 or first option. Look at this. Yes, if you get your answer, you can give it to the chat section. Option A, B, C, D you can give. So you can take tan theta common. You can take tan theta common. Tan theta if you take common, see what you get. Cosecant square theta minus 1. Tan theta if you take it outside, you are getting cosecant square theta minus 1. Can you use the identity now? Tan theta into cosecant square theta minus 1 is, yes, it is cot square theta, right? Cot square theta. So that is tan theta into, or tan theta can be written as 1 by cot theta, right? 1 by cot theta into cot square theta. 1 time cot theta cancel. So your answer is cot theta. Yes, Saktivel, your answer is right. So your answer is cot theta. Option number D. Okay, now let's move on to the next question. Question number 5. Very simple question. Yes, students, you can do this sum. Sin theta is 0.8. Find cos theta. We are going to do some prove that questions also. But before that, make it thorough, this identity. Sin theta is 0.8. We want to find cos theta. Yes, use the identity. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1, right? So we have the identity. Can you try and give your answer in the chat section? So we have the identity sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Sin theta is 0.8. So sin square theta is 0.64, right? Plus cos square theta is 1. So cos square theta is 1 minus 0.64. You are getting 0.36. So take square root. Cos theta is equal to 0.6. Yes, Hanshika, your answer is right. 0.6 is the right answer. Students, you can send the link to your friends also. Right? Good. If you're able to understand, you can like this video, right? You can share with your friends. And you can join the Telegram group, okay? So that you will get the notifications. You will update when we have the next class, everything. And you subscribe this channel so that you will get, whenever you go on live, you will get the notification. So Telegram channel link given in the description. You can join that also. Okay, now sum number 6. Sum number 6. Look at this question. X equal to A tan theta. Y equal to B secant theta, then few options given here. In most of the options, yes, it is given x square by a square in most of the options, right? Y square by b square. Then by adding, subtracting, see which one you are getting. So better you find first x square by a square. X by a, from the first you can find x by a, right? From the first you can find x by a. X by a equal to tan theta. And from the second you can find y by b. Y by b equal to secant theta, right? We have an identity using secant and tan. For sin and cos, sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Sin square plus cos square is 1. Secant and tan, there is second identity, right? So secant square theta minus tan square theta is 1. Secant square theta minus tan square theta is 1. Secant square theta means y square by b square. Y square by b square minus tan square x square by a square equal to 1. You have the option. Yes, Sakchivel, your answer is right. Hanshika, yes. A is the right answer. Okay, let's move on to sum number 7. Yes, Nakshatra, your answer is right. Okay, look at the 7th sum. 2 root 3 sin a plus b is 3. And sin a equal to cos a. Immediately know what is a, right? Sin a equal to cos a, so you know a equal to what? 45 degree, right? A equal to 45 degree, yes. Now here what you can do, you can find it, right? So take the 2 root 3 to the other side. So sin a plus b is equal to, sin a plus b is equal to 3 by 2 root 3. The 3 and root 3 can cancel, right? So you're getting root 3 by 2. Sin a plus b is root 3 by 2. I think now you can complete it, right? Try to complete and give your answer in the chat section. Sin a plus b is root 3 by 2. So sin which angle is root 3 by 2? So that is a plus b, right? So a plus b is root 3 by, see which angle. Sin which angle? For that you need that table, right? Trigonometric table. So trigonometric identity is the table, all these relations, then you can do the sums easily. Yes, you can find a plus b from here. So sin which angle is root 3 by 2? Sin 60, right? So a plus b is equal to 60 degree. A plus b is 60. Already you know the value of a. A is 45 plus b is 60. So you are getting b is equal to what? 60 minus 45, it is 15. Don't stop here. They didn't ask you to find a and b. Of course you need a and b, but they asked to find 3a minus 2b. Yes, 3a minus 2b. Students, even if your answer is wrong, don't worry about that, okay? So you can give your answer in the chat section. 3a minus 2b. That is 3 into 45 minus 2 into b value 15. Yes, try to complete it. That is sum number 7. Yes, Joan's, Hanshika, your answers are right. That's the final answer. I think other students given the answer for B, I think 15. B is 15 and 3A minus 2B, the final answer is 135 minus 30. Your answer is 105. Yes, that's the right answer. Now let's move on to the next question, sum number 8. Look at this question. P equal to, I written here, P is equal to A cot theta plus B cosecant theta, and Q equal to B cot theta plus A cosecant theta. Then they asked to find P square minus Q square. We have to find P square minus Q square. So P square minus Q square. So what you can do, you find P square first, then you find Q square, then you subtract them, right? P square minus Q square. See what you are getting. So P square, now you have to square this, right? So this is of the type A plus B the whole square. A plus B, the P square, this is P. Now A plus B the whole square. So it is A square plus B square plus 2AB. Order can be changed. So A square, that is A square cot square theta, plus B square cosecant square theta, then plus 2AB. So plus 2AB cot theta cosecant theta. Hope you understood. P square. Then you find Q square. So you square this one. So again A plus B the whole square. So you are getting B square cot square theta. B square. So that I am writing here. Because the B square below B square. B square cot square theta. So it will be easy for you. Plus A square cosecant square theta. Then plus 2AB, that is 2AB cot theta cosecant theta, right? Now in this question you have to subtract because they asked to find the value of P square minus Q square. And they can frame questions like this. Instead of cot and cosecant, they can give sine and cos. Then in that case, P square plus Q square. Because you know sine square plus cos square is 1, right? But here we have to subtract these two. So P square, so you change the sign, minus, minus, minus. So here A square you can take it outside. Cot square theta minus cosecant square theta. Plus, from the second you take B square common, cosecant square theta minus cot square theta. The last term get cancelled, right? When you subtract that to get cancelled. Now you apply the identity correctly. Cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is 1, right? Cosecant square minus cot square is 1. Cot square minus cosecant square is then reversed, right? So minus 1. So your answer is B square into 1. It is B square. And here A square into minus 1 is minus A square. So the correct answer is B square minus A square. So learn the identity thoroughly, otherwise you will have some doubt, right? Cot square minus cosecant square is 1 or cosecant square minus cot square is 1. So learn that thoroughly. Cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is 1. If they reverse, you have to put a sign minus. So it will be minus 1. Yes, hope you understood. Now let's move on to sum number 9. Very good question. Look at this. So before doing this sum, please look at this. So we are taking values from 0 to 90, right? 0 to 90. If I take sine, sine 0 is what? 0. Sine 90 is 1. So sine function is increasing, right? The values are increasing. 0 to 1. It is going up. Sine 0 is 0, then 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, then 1, right? 0 to 90, sine values are gradually increasing. But if I take cos 0 is 1, but cos 90 is 0. So 1 to 0, it is going down, right? Values are in the descending order, decreasing. But if I take tan 0 is 0, but tan 90 is what? Infinity, not defined. It's a very big number. So tan is again, it is increasing, right? So using that only we have to do the next question. Look at this. A and B are acute angles. So they are less than 90. A and B are acute angles. Okay, we can use with some examples also. Listen, then it will be easy for you. A and B are two acute angles. B is greater than A, they said. B is greater than A. B is greater than A. The number line, the right side, the values are greater, right? B is greater than A. Two acute angles. For example, I am taking one is say 30, another one is say 45. Less than 90, right? Two values, A and B. So for example. Now, for sine, you know, see, sine value is increasing, we said, right? Sine values are increasing. So look at this. So let us see the first one. Sine value is increasing. Sine 30 means this value. Sine 30 is this value. Sine 45 is this value. So sine 45 will be more than sine 30. Here what they said, sine B, that is sine 45. Sine B is greater than sine A. Yes, it is correct. This is sine B, this is sine A, this is the greater one. So it is correct only, that is correct. But actually we want which are the following statement is what? False. So this is the correct one, but that is not the correct answer, right? Okay. Now see the next one. For that, next function is cosine function. Take cos. I am taking another diagram. See, cos function is decreasing, you know that, right? So cos 30 will be this one. Cos 30 is this one. Cos 30 is more. Cos 45 is small. But here what they given, you see, cos A, that is cos 30. Yes, cos 30 is, and cos B, cos 45. This is greater. Cos A is greater than cos B. Yes, that is also a right statement. But that is not the answer for this question, right? The question is, which of the following four statement is wrong, right? So second one is also a right statement. Look at the fourth one, you see tan. For tan the graph will be tan, the function is increasing, so right? So it will be like this. 0 to it goes up to infinity. Tan A, this is tan A. Tan A, this is tan A. Tan B, this is tan B. Tan B is greater. Tan A is smaller than tan B, right? Tan A is smaller than tan B. But here they said tan A is greater than tan B. So that is the wrong one. That is a wrong statement. Which of the following is false? So that is a false one. Let us see, check this also. One is in sine, one is in cos also, right? So it is very careful. Look at this example. Sine A I have taken as 30. So sine 30. Sine 30 less than cos B. Cos B, no, it is cos 45, right? Check whether you are getting less than. Sine 30 is what? 1 by 2. Sine 30 is 1 by 2. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2, which is, are you getting less than? If you want, make the denominator same. Here root 2 by root 2. Here 2 by 2. So first one is root 2 by 2 root 2. Second one is 2 by 2 root 2. Denominators are same, so you can check it. Root 2 is smaller than 2, right? 1.414, So less than symbol. Yes, it is less than symbol. That is also a right statement. So A, B, C, all the three are right statements. So the wrong one is tan A greater than tan B, right? So for this question, the correct option is D. So what you have to understand here is the graph. So sine values 0 to 90, sine values are increasing, right? As theta increases, sine theta also increases. But for cos, as theta increases, cos theta value decreases. But for tan, as theta increases, tan theta value also increases. That is from 0 to 90. Okay, for your level, they will ask only up to 0 to 90. Hope you understood this question. It's a very good one. Now let's move on to the next question. Sum number 10. Now, next 10 question, prove that questions, right? In between, I'll ask some simple questions also. Prove that tan A by 1 plus secant A minus tan A. Please listen here, students. For prove that question, some questions you start with LHS, you get RHS. But there are some questions we start with RHS, you get LHS. And there is one more method, you know that. So we start with LHS, maximum do, you will get one step, stop there. Then you start with RHS, start doing that, you get, check whether the answers are same. Then again you can say both are what? Equal. So these are the different ways to do. And these type questions definitely you have to attend for your board examination. Because prove that question, right? You know the answer. If you do some mensuration and all, you don't know whether, you may know the sum, but calculation, we don't know where we make mistake, right? But for these questions, you can be confident, right? Yes, I got the answer. Okay, look at this. So as I said earlier, there are different ways to do. Don't think there's a unique way. You can do it in any different ways you can do. If you're not able to do in any method, you convert everything into sine and cos. Sine, cos. Tan can be written as what? Tan theta can be written as sine theta by cos theta, right? Sine theta by cos theta. Cot theta can be written as reciprocal of tan, right? So cos theta by sine theta. Cos theta by sine theta. Then secant theta is 1 by cos theta. Cosecant theta is 1 by sine theta. So you can change everything in terms of what? Sine and cos. Then you can try. Okay, now look at this question. Here another method is, if you see the numerator, So one method I said you can you can change into sine and cos and you can try. Another method is you can take tan common, right? So tan can be taken out, then take LCM and do that. Also you can do that. So look at this, I am taking this way, but don't think this is not the unique way. You can do it in any method. Okay. So tan A by 1 plus secant A minus tan A by 1 minus secant A. So take tan A common. 1 by 1 plus secant A minus 1 by 1 minus secant A. That is tan A into, tan A into, take LCM. What is LCM? 1 plus secant A into 1 minus secant A. So this 1 minus secant A minus 1 into this. So both will become minus, right? So you are getting minus 1 minus secant A. Hope you understood. That is tan A into. The numerator you can cancel plus 1 and minus 1. Minus secant A is minus 2 secant A. Denominator is A plus B into A minus B. It is A square minus B square, right? A square 1 square minus B square secant square A. What is 1 minus secant square A? It is not tan square A. Secant square A minus 1 is tan square A. So 1 minus tan square A means it is 1 minus secant square is minus tan square A. Remember, secant square A minus 1 is what? Tan square A. You must be thorough with these identities. Those who joined late, again I am telling, in the beginning just we discussed the basics of trigonometry. All these identities, the results, everything. If you want to learn in detail, there is another video, basics in trigonometry. The link given in the description. You can check that later. Okay, so if you want. Because without knowing the basics, definitely you cannot do that one. Okay, try to learn all the results and concepts. So numerator is minus 2 tan A secant A. So minus cancel, 1 tan cancel. So you are getting, it become plus, right? You are getting 2 secant A by tan A. But what answer you are supposed to get? 2 cosecant A. Okay, now we convert into sine and cos. 2 secant A can be written as 1 by cos A. Then denominator tan A, if we take it to the numerator, it will become cot A, right? So cos A by sine A. Cos A by sine A. You can cancel this cos A, cancel. You are getting 2 into 1 by sine A. That 1 by sine A is what? Cosecant A, and that is our RHS. So 2 cosecant A is the right answer. It is a prove that question, right? So this is one method. So you can try with other methods also. Okay, shall we move on to the next question, question number 11. Look at this question. Again prove that sine A minus 2 sine cube A. Here, like previous question, what I did, so tan A is common, right? So we are taken out. So same way in this question also, the numerator, you see what is common? Numerator sine A is common, right? Numerator sine A is common. Denominator what is common? Cos A. Sine by cos. Numerator sine A is common. Sine A into something. Denominator cos A into something. So sine by cos is what? Tan. Sine by cos is tan. Answer is tan. That means the remaining should get cancelled, right? Sine A into something. Denominator cos A into something. So, so we start with LHS. Sine A minus 2 sine cube A by 2 cos cube A minus cos A. You take sine A outside, the numerator takes sine A common, what you are getting? 1 minus 2 sine square A. By, take cos A common, you are getting 2 cos square A minus 1. As I said earlier, the sine A by cos A is what? Tan A. The answer we are supposed to get tan A only. That means this part must get cancelled. So they must be same, right? So what you can do, look at this. Sine A by cos A is tan A. Okay, because that's what we need the answer. Here, numerator, instead of 1, we are using the identity. Sine square plus cos square, right? A is given. So 1 can be written as sin square A plus cos square A. Minus the second term is 2 sin square A. Denominator 2 cos square A minus 1. That 1 can be written as sin square A plus cos square A, but outside minus sign is there. So minus sin square A minus cos square A. So that is tan A into, look at the numerator, cos square A. These two together, sin square A minus 2 sin square A, that is what? Minus sin square A. See the denominator, 2 cos square A minus cos square A, it is cos square A minus sin square A. Now we look at this, these two are same cancel, so your answer is tan A. So hope you understood this, right? Now let's move on to question number 12, very simple question. 5x equal to secant theta. So secant theta is equal to 5x and tan theta is equal to 5 by x. What they asked, you see, so now whenever you see secant and tan, use the identity. Which identity we have? Secant square theta minus tan square theta is 1. Secant square theta minus tan square theta is 1. Substitute the values. Secant square theta means 5x the whole square, it is 25x square, minus tan square theta, 25 by x square, equal to 1. You can take 25 common, you are getting x square minus 1 by x square, equal to 1. So x square minus 1 by x square is equal to 1 by 25, right? 1 by 25. So this is the correct answer. Now shall we move on to the next one, question number 13. Very simple question, very easily you can do that. Yes, you can do and give your answer in the chat section. The value of sin square theta plus 1 by 1 plus tan square theta. Very simple one, direct identity, you will get the answer, right? Sin square theta plus 1 by 1 plus tan square theta, identity is there, right? 1 plus tan square theta is secant square theta. That is sin square theta. 1 by secant square theta is what? Cos square theta, right? So sin square plus cos square, our answer is 1. Okay, this is another very good question. Sin power, prove that sin power 6 theta plus cos power 6 theta equal to 1 minus 3 sin square theta cos square theta. For this sum, we have to use the identity, right? Which identity? A cube plus B cube, or alpha cube plus beta cube is equal to alpha plus beta the whole cube, A plus B the whole cube, minus 3ab into a plus b. 3 alpha beta and alpha plus beta. You would have studied already, right? A cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b the whole. There are different forms. Another identity is also there. Here we use this one because look similar to this, right? So we start with LHS. Sin power 6 theta plus cos power 6 theta. Sin power 6 theta, you can write it as sin square theta the whole cube. Cos power 6 theta, cos square theta the whole cube. Now this is of the type, this is a cube plus b cube, right? A cube plus b cube. So you can use that identity. What's identity? A plus b the whole cube. A plus b sin square theta plus cos square theta. A plus b the whole cube minus 3ab. That is sin square theta cos square theta, sin square theta cos square theta into a plus b. That is sin square theta plus cos square theta. You know sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1, right? So 1 cube 1 minus 3 sin square theta into cos square theta into this part is also 1 because sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. This is the answer they asked to prove, right? Very easily can do that. That is RHS. Only thing, remember this identity. We are studying trigonometry, but still the algebraic identities we are using, so that also be thorough with that. Shall we move on to the next question, question number 15. So this question can be asked in different ways. So sine alpha plus cosecant alpha the whole square plus cos alpha plus secant alpha the whole square equal to the k value they may give, and they'll ask you to prove that. Okay, but here they given this expression. You will be getting tan square alpha plus cot square alpha, with that plus some number you have to get. They asked to find what is that number, right? If you know the answer, you can give your answer in the chat section. Okay, look at this. So we start with this LHS part. A plus b the whole square, that is a square sine square alpha plus b square cosecant square alpha plus 2ab 2 sine alpha cosecant alpha plus second term again a plus b the whole square, a square that is cos square alpha, b square plus secant square alpha plus 2ab 2 cos alpha secant alpha. Okay, now let us try to simplify. Yes, Saktivel given the answer. Look at this. In the answer we need only tan square and cot square, right? Tan square and cot square and some number. So depends on the answer only we have to do. Here we try to simplify this. This sine square alpha plus cos square alpha is 1, right? Cosecant square alpha we don't want. We need only tan square and cot square, right? So cosecant square alpha can be written as 1 plus cot square alpha. Plus, look at this one, 2 into sine alpha into this cosecant alpha can be written as 1 by sine alpha. Plus, cos square alpha already you taken, right? Sine square plus. This secant square alpha you can write it as 1 plus tan square alpha. Plus, last term, 2 cos alpha into secant alpha is 1 by cos alpha. Now look at this. So here sin alpha cancel, and here cos alpha cancel. You are getting 2 plus 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. You are getting 7 plus tan square alpha plus cot square alpha. If you compare this with the given answer, tan square alpha plus cot square alpha, tan square alpha plus with that some constant k given, instead of k we have what? 7. So your answer is k is equal to 7. But sometimes, dear students, they will ask you to prove this question. Prove that this is equal to 7 plus tan square alpha plus cot square alpha. Okay, so question can be asked in different ways. Hope you understood this. Just expand it, then give the changes. Okay, depends on the answer. Okay, now let's move on to question number 16. Look at this. Yes, this sum I think you can do that. What is given in the question? Sin theta equal to cos theta. Immediately I think remember that. Those are right from the beginning. Immediately you will say theta is equal to what? 45 degree, right? Theta is equal to 45 degree. They asked to find the value of 2 tan square theta plus sin square theta minus 1. Very simple. Theta value you know 45. Just substitute. Only two things. Make thorough with identities and the trigonometric table. If you are thorough with that, you can answer any question. Okay. The skill you develop. So now theta is 45. Just to substitute and try to simplify this quickly and do the calculation part carefully. 45. So tan 45 value you need. Tan 45 is 1. Then sin 45 also we need, right? Sin 45 is 1 by root 2. Substitute and try to simplify this. Yes, some answers given minus 2 by 3. Please check that answer. 2 into tan 45 is 1. So 1 square. Plus sin square theta. Sin 45. Sin 45 is 1 by root 2. The whole square. Minus 1. Try to simplify. 1 square is 1. So 2 plus 1 by 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1 plus 1 by 2. 1 and a half. 3 by 2 is the answer, right? 3 by 2 is the right answer. Okay, that is question number 16. Now let's move on to question number 17. Look at this question. 1 plus tan theta plus secant theta 1 plus tan theta plus secant theta into 1 plus cot theta minus cosecant theta is equal to. So what we do here, we change everything into sin and cos. 1 plus tan theta can be written as sin theta by cos theta plus secant theta is 1 by cos theta into 1 plus cot theta, it is cos theta by sin theta minus cosecant theta, that is 1 by sin theta, right? Now we take LCM. Here cos theta is LCM. So cos theta plus sin theta plus 1. Second one, you take sin theta LCM. So you are getting sin theta plus cos theta minus 1. Please look at this. We group these two. This cos theta plus sin theta we grouped like this. Now we see the term inside the brackets are same. Cos theta plus sin theta. Here also cos theta plus sin theta. A plus B. Cos theta plus sin theta is A. Then plus 1. In the other one, cos theta plus sin theta minus 1. So A plus B and A minus B. This is our A. A plus B into A minus B. It is A square. That is cos theta plus sin theta the whole square. A square minus B square. That is 1 square is 1. Denominator is sin theta cos theta. So if you group like this, it will be easy for you. The sin theta plus cos theta, take it as one term. That take it as A. So it is A plus B into A minus B. A square minus B square. Now we expand this one. A plus B the whole square. Cos square theta plus sin square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta. Don't forget write that minus 1 divided by sin theta cos theta. Now look at this. This sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1, right? This sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. I'm not writing the step now. That 1 and this minus 1 get cancelled, right? Hope you understood that. Cos square theta plus sin square theta 1. Okay, right. Plus 2 sin theta cos theta minus 1 divided by sin theta cos theta. Plus 1 minus 1 cancel. So you are getting 2 sin theta cos theta divided by sin theta cos theta. So sin theta cos theta cancel. So your final answer is 2. Okay, 2 is the right answer. That is for question number 17. Hope you understood. So little lengthy one. So change everything into sin and cos. Take LCM. Then grouping A plus B into A minus B. Then you simplify, you will get the answer. Shall we move on to the next question? Question number 18. Look at this question. This is another very good question. You can do in different ways. Either you can change everything into sin and cos. You can do another method. You change everything into tan and you can do that. Also you can do in this question. I'll teach in tan. Okay, so you can do in different ways. So when you go for examination, you'll get any question you can try. Easily you can do that. So we start with LHS. I am converting everything into tan. So look at this one. So first you are getting tan theta, right, as it is, by 1 minus cot theta can be written as 1 by tan theta. I am changing everything into tan theta, right? Plus their denominator is 1 minus tan theta, but numerator is cot theta, that is 1 by tan theta. So tan theta by, here you take tan theta LCM, you are getting tan theta minus 1. Plus this is 1 by, the tan theta will come down. Tan theta into 1 minus tan theta. Here, this tan theta has to go up. So tan theta into tan theta, what is that? Tan square theta, right? Tan square theta by tan theta minus 1. Here I am going to make a small change. This tan theta I am writing as it is. This 1 minus tan theta, I want to reverse it because here we have tan theta minus 1. The first term denominator is tan theta minus 1, but the second one 1 minus tan theta. I want to make them same so that LCM will be easy, right? So 1 minus tan theta, if it is plus, no problem, simply you can reverse it. But since minus is there, 1 minus tan theta can be written as minus of tan theta minus 1. So that minus I put in the middle. So 1 minus tan theta, you write it as tan theta minus 1. Now LCM you can take easily. What is LCM? Tan theta into tan theta minus 1. So in the first one, tan theta minus 1 is there. What is missing? Tan theta. Already tan square theta into this tan theta, right? You are getting tan cube theta. Minus, in the second one, nothing is there. So just write that 1. Now look at this. 1 can be written as 1 cube. Again, a cube, alpha cube minus beta cube, right? Alpha cube minus beta cube. So this can be written as, or you can use this for your formula. You see, a cube minus b cube. In factorization, you would have studied this formula, right? A minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Okay, we try this one. So what you are getting? A minus b. So tan theta minus 1. Reason is you can cancel this denominator also. Tan theta minus 1, right? Tan theta into tan theta minus 1. Okay, a minus b written. Now this part. A square. A square means tan square theta plus ab. Tan theta into 1. That is tan theta plus b square. 1 square is 1. So this is what you are getting now, right? Now this tan theta minus 1 cancel. Now please listen, students. Depends on the answer only. Trigonometry, they can frame question in any form. See, normally what we do? 1 plus tan square theta. Identity you can use. 1 plus tan square theta is secant square theta. Plus tan theta by tan theta you can write. But in the answer you see, we need 3 terms we need. 1 plus tan theta plus cot theta. So if I combine that two, you will get only 2 terms, right? So don't do that. Don't use the identity. You are getting tan square theta plus tan theta plus 1 whole divided by tan theta, right? You split into 3. How? Tan square theta by tan theta plus tan theta by tan theta plus 1 by tan theta. Hope you understood that. The first one cancel 1 tan theta. So you are getting only tan theta. Second, both get cancelled 1. And the last one, 1 by tan theta, it is same as what? Cot theta. So this is the answer, tan theta plus cot theta plus 1. Yes, tan theta plus cot theta plus 1. So change into tan, take LCM. You are getting numerator. So here we made a change. 1 minus tan theta. Tan theta minus 1. So put a sign outside. So that minus comes here. The numerator use the identity. Identity I mentioned here. A cube minus b cube. This identity you have to use, right? So that one term get cancelled. The numerator we have 3 terms. By tan theta split into 3. You are getting the answer, right? Okay. Just another 10 minutes. We'll try to finish it. Look at this question. Prove that this is equal to 2. Sin power 4 theta minus cos power 4 theta plus 1 into cosecant square theta equal to 2. So we start with LHS. Sin power 4 theta minus cos power 4 theta. This part you have to simplify into cosecant square theta. So can you simplify this part? Cube we got formula. We have formula for square also, right? A square minus b square. A plus b into a minus b. So what you can do here? Sin square theta the whole square minus cos square theta the whole square plus 1. That is 1. Another factor is cosecant square theta. Cosecant square theta. Now this is a square minus b square. A plus b. Sin square theta plus cos square theta, a plus b into a minus b. Sin square theta minus cos square theta plus 1. That is the first factor into cosecant square theta. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. That is 1. Leave it. You are getting sin square theta minus cos square theta plus 1 into cosecant square theta. Can you simplify this part? You group these 2 terms together. 1 minus cos square theta. What is 1 minus cos square theta? Sin square theta. Already we have a sin square theta. Plus 1 minus cos square theta is again sin square theta into cosecant square theta. Sin square theta plus sin square theta is 2 sin square theta. Cosecant square theta is 1 by sin square theta. Sin square theta cancel. So the final answer is 2. So that is the right answer, right? They asked to prove it is true. So first two terms, power 4 is there. So make it a square. Sine square theta the whole square. Then a square minus b square, a plus b and a minus b. Sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Then here combine these two. 1 minus cos square is sine square plus sine square, 2 sine square. Cosecant square is 1 by sine square. You are getting 2 as your answer. Okay, next question. Look at this question. Earlier I said no. P square plus q square. Some of students may be joined late. Earlier I taught another question. P square minus q square. That comes in secant and tan. At that time I said if it is sine and cos, instead of minus, the question will be what? Plus. Because the identity sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So this is p value. So you find p square. P square means this part square. A plus b the whole square. You are getting a square m square sine square a plus b square n square cos square a plus 2ab 2mn sin a cos a. That is p square. Same way q square. This part square, right? A minus b the whole square here. A minus b the whole square. So a square m square cos square a, m square below m square, okay? M square cos square a plus n square cos square a minus 2ab 2mn sin a cos a. In this question, p square plus q square, so just adding. So you are getting p square plus q square is equal to, the first one, you take m square common, right? Take this m square common. M square into sin square a plus cos square a. That is 1. The second one you can see n square common, right? So take n square outside. N square into you are getting here one is sine square, right? Sorry. N coefficient is sin a, right? So this is sine square a. So when you take n square common, cos square a plus sine square a. And the last term, 2mn sin a cos a, one is positive, one is negative, so both the terms get cancelled, right? Both the terms get cancelled, so no need to write that. So this is what you are getting. Now sin square a plus cos square is 1, so m square into 1, that is m square, plus n square into 1 is n square, okay? So this is the right answer. P square plus q square is equal to m square plus n square. Okay, just we are going to do 2 more questions and with that we stop. Question number 21. Find the value of, very simple question, just to see your memory power. Those who attended the full class, can you give the answer quickly? Sin a minus cos a equal to 0. What comes in your mind? Sin a minus cos a equal to 0. Can you say what is a here? If you know, give your answer in the chat section. Sin a minus cos a equal to 0, then what is a value? If you know that, immediately you can do that, right? Yes, someone. Sin a minus cos a equal to 0. Can you say what is a value? Look at this. Already we discussed this one. Take minus cos a to the right side. What you'll get? Yes. Jonas, Kavin. Yes, your answers are right. Very good. If I take minus sign to the right side, you are getting sin a equal to cos a, right? So we did this so many times. Sin a and cos a equal means a is equal to 45. Now substitute here 45. Sin power 4. Sin power 4 45 plus cos power 4 45. Sin 45 is 1 by root 2. Cos 45 also 1 by root 2. So that is 2 times 1 by root 2 raised to 4, right? So 2 times 1 power 4 is 1 only. Root 2 raised to 4. Root 2 raised to 4. 2 into 2. So 2 into 1 by 2 into 2. So the answer is 1 by 2. It's the right answer, right? Yes, very good. Many students given the right answer. Good. Now we are going to do the last question. So this is our last question today. Those who not yet subscribe this channel, please subscribe so that when we come on live. So next class will be, we are not going to take chapter wise. So next class we are going to take 2 mark, 3 mark questions from the entire syllabus. CBSE syllabus will take. For state board students, we take separate classes exclusively. Coming this Sunday, we are taking the first class for state board students, Sunday evening at 7 o'clock. So subscribe this channel so that you will get the notifications and you can inform your friends also. For CBSE students 10th standard, before we'll take a few more classes. Then after that, before the examination gap, you know your exam starts on 15th, right? 15th of February, this next month it starts. But for mathematics this time you are getting more holidays, right? Nearly 10 days you are getting. At that time we take more classes. Okay, we'll take more classes. You send your doubts to this number. Okay, the number given again, I'm giving you the number 9444 111 424. Okay, send your doubts to this number so that in the live classes we will discuss that sums. Okay, yes, now the last question, very easily you can do this one. Yes, some students already given the answer. Good, it shows your interest. Good. So sine a plus 2b is equal to root 3 by 2. Sine which angle is root 3 by 2? Yes, sine 60 is root 3 by 2, right? So a plus 2b is equal to 60. And another one, cos a plus 4b is 0. Cos which angle is 0? Cos 90 is 0. So a plus 4b is 90. Now two simultaneous equations, right? You can solve it very easily. I'm doing like this, equation 2 minus equation 1. So a minus a cancel. 4b minus 2b. 4b minus 2b is 2b. 90 minus 60, it is 30. So b is equal to 30 by 215 degree, right? B, you got it. Now that b value substitute the first equation. A plus 2 into 15, 30 equal to 60. So you are getting a equal to 60 minus 30. So that is also 30. Okay. So but this question they asked to find a and b only. So final answer, a equal to 30 degree and b equal to 15 degree. Okay. So hope you understood all these things. Hope you enjoyed today's class, because many students ask for trigonometry exclusively. And the next class we will be discussing more questions from triangle and circles, because many of you that area you need, right? So triangles and circles we need. We'll try to cover more post topic, more sums in the next class. Okay, thanks for joining. We'll continue the next class.